Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel Education Point. In the last class I will discuss about female reproductive system. In today's class I will discuss about the human ovum or structure of human ovum. So firstly, the human ovum is generally spherical and non-motile gametes with yolk cytoplasm and enclose the one or two egg envelope. It means egg membrane. The size of the human ovum is very different animal due to different amount of yolk present in them. So if I'm talk about the largest size of egg, largest size of egg in mammals, ostrich egg, which about 107 mm to 135 mm in mammals. In the human ovum is microlethal, means which negligible yolk and has amount of cytoplasm. Then cytoplasm is differentiated into four parts: outer, transparent, exoplasm, and last one is egg cortex. So nucleus is very large and very well developed, present in upper side. Nucleus is eccentric, means present in upper side in the cell. And human ovum is covered by three membranes. First one is vitelline membrane, that is secreted by the ovum itself. Second one is corona radiata, made up of follicle cells. Third one is zona pellucida, this one secreted by follicle cells. This one is endoplasm, it is also called as ooplasm, center area. Next one, vegetal pole and animal pole. Vegetal pole present of most the yolk in the vegetal pole, and animal pole opposite the vegetal pole, and nucleus nearby nucleus at the animal pole. This part of ovum is called exoplasm or egg cortex. Filled of cytoplasm. If I am talk about the function of the ovum to carry the set of the chromosomes contributed by the female gametes. So that was all about the today's class. Thank you so much.